So R square basically is 1 minus RSS by TSS. So what does like RSS and TSS mean? You know, so RSS stands for residual sum of squares. TSS stands for total sum of squares. Right. Let's write down. Okay. And how do we calculate RSS? Okay. How do we calculate RSS? So you will sum over all the observations and you will take the difference between the observed value and the predicted value and then square it. Okay. This is very similar to the cost function, but you would see that we don't have any 1 by 2m factors or something like that. Okay. So this is the residual sum of squares. So what does it mean? It means that your model is not exactly fitting. So you have some residual, you know. So if your model would have exactly fit, then your yi observed. So these are the observed values, and these are the predicted values. So if your model has exactly fitted the observations, then your observed values will be equal to predicted values, and you will have no residual. You will have zero residual. So in that case, if you have zero residual, your R square value will be 1. That means 100%. So that means your model is 100% accurate, right? But you cannot have a 100% accurate model. So you will have some R square between 0 and 1. Now, what is TSS? So TSS is again summation over all the observations. Here you do yi observed divided by yi averaged whole square. Okay. So this is the again. So this is the observed value. This is the average value. Okay. So this is the average of all the y values, and this is the observed value. This is okay. For those who know, this is more like a variance kind of a term. But yeah, if you don't know about what is variance, then don't worry about it. But okay, so what does R square give? It is basically normalizing this residual sum of squares, the residual error that you have with respect to the total sum of squares, and then it is subtracting it from 1, and that will give you the accuracy of your model. So R square gives you the accuracy of your model, because you are removing the error from your from 1, subtracting the error, and you are getting what is remaining is your model.